Today, we are on the second day of the mentorship program, which is focusing on the power of purpose, aligning value and leadership. Through our Equity Group Foundation and our partners, we do arrange these conferences every year for Form 3s and 4s in this part of the country, which is the South Nyanza region, starting from Kisii all the way to Homa Bay, Mbita to Isebania. We have about 1,238 students here in this conference. These students enjoy our scholarships through the Equity Wings to Fly and the Elimu program, which is in partnership with the government of Kenya. We have seen great success with over 82% transition from high school to university. And this keeps driving us to do more and more for the poor and needy children in our societies. Most of these children need constant and regular mentoring to keep them focused and keep them in shape, because education is not enough. Providing them with free education, but not following up and looking at and tracking their progress may not necessarily give us the end product that we desire. So we carry out this mentorship program together with our partners and partnering with the county education team, and to make sure that we offer direct mentorship, some of them on one-on-one situations, so that we keep them grounded. So this year we were focusing on leadership, because we want our students to become leaders in this dynamic country in years to come, and that's not far away. So that was the purpose today. Tomorrow, and hopefully after this, the students will go back, internalize what we've discussed, continue to focus on what is important at this stage in their careers, in their nursing careers, and then we follow up this with our partners to make sure that we realize the desired results that we have possible from the beginning. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the most important.